Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sell on TikTok Shop. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my further videos. Now let's get started. So TikTok allows you to add your products directly to your videos as well, or there is also options for digital marketing and affiliating marketing. So this is the future of e-commerce, as people say as well. So first thing you need to do is go to your web browser, and after that in the top of the browser there will be a search bar. In the search bar you just have to type TikTok for business and press enter in your keyboard. And after that the first source is a list, TikTok for business. Just click on that and TikTok for business will be open. So you just have to click on the get started button. By that you will be able to follow through the process of sign up and login. And when you have signed up and logged in successfully, you just have to fill out the application. And when you have filled out the application, you just need to set up your shop and add your product to your shop. And when you set up your shop and have added product to your shop, then you can start selling on the TikTok. So this is how you can sell on TikTok Shop. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.